Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your parking brake or your emergency brake on your Dodge Neon. Sometimes these can be very loose, or if you're on a hill it's not really grabbing. That's not good. You want it to be tight enough so it can do the job when it's being engaged. Let's go ahead and get started. You'll notice when I pull it up, it's going to come up very easy. Doesn't have any tension, just comes easily up, so you can clearly see that it needs to be adjusted. It shouldn't be that loose. It should come up maybe about a half to even maybe 3/4, but you'll feel the tension on it. So we're going to head around back. I'm going to show you where you can adjust that and get that corrected. Coming outside the vehicle, you don't want to come to the front wheels. We're going to work our way here to the back because that's where we're going to be doing the work. That's where the adjustments are, is behind the rear wheels. We'll show that in a minute. But you can get to it on ground level, or if you want easier access, you can either jack the car up on jack stands or put it up on ramps for better access, but you don't need to. You can get to everything right here with it on the ground, as you'll see. So let's work our way here on the inside. And if you look here, there's our backer plate for the drum brake. And looking up here at the top of it, that is your wheel cylinder up top. And right below the wheel cylinder is the little access for the adjuster. And right now it has the little rubber plug on it, and that keeps the dirt and debris from getting in there, and all we'll have to do is remove that. That's out. And let's take a look in there, and I'll show you what we're talking about. Looking into the opening, you'll see the automatic adjuster screw, and that's what we're going to be rotating with the flathead screwdriver to adjust the tension for the parking brake. Now to tighten it, we're going to raise this up. So you're going to keep going up with it until we can't move it much further. So we'll take the flathead screwdriver, grab the adjuster screw right here, and just keep pushing up until it's as tight as it can go. Here we go. Keep raising it. Once you're done adjusting it, make sure to put the little rubber cap back over it. That just pushes right into place. Once you're done on the driver's side, you're going to head over to the passenger side because you want to make sure that you do it on both rear wheels. I've removed the plug on the other side because you want to make sure that you do both sides. You don't just want to do one. So we can come in now on this side, same thing. We're going to be rotating it up. There we go. Keep going up. And you don't want to over tighten, just go until you get a little bit of resistance on it. There we are. Now let's go try it. Let's give it a try. Nice and tight, that's how it should be. Remember at the beginning it came all the way up. We're coming up about maybe 3/4. And even pulling it up, you can hear that. It's tightening up. That's how it should be. You don't want it over tightened. You don't want to be driving where you're riding the brake, but you definitely want to tighten enough that if you're on a hill or if you need it in an emergency situation, it's working properly. So that wraps up this video on how to adjust the e-brake or parking brake on a Dodge Neon. I hope that this video was informative for you, helped you out with anything you're working on. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I would love to hear from you. I have a ton of videos pertaining to the Dodge Neon that I'll have down in the description if you want to check those out as well. I'm constantly doing work on this one here as we're kind of restoring it. But please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.